Hey everyone, this is Chris here with lightcoalition.org, and today's video is going to be about a water structuring device. Some people call it structured water, some people call it vortex water. I built this about a year ago, and I think it works great. So what I'm going to do today is talk about how I made it, what's involved in it, what it does, and then actually show you with some water here the before and after structured measurements. And with that, I'm going to use a digital frequency counter that I use when I measure auras or spaces for different type of frequencies. So I will show you the zeroed out space, I'll show you the empty glasses, and then I'll show you the water afterwards, and you can, make up your own mind. So basically, to start with, I took some PVC pipe. I think this is an inch, and what I did is I took a bunch of different glass marbles. I made sure I ordered the food grade non-toxic kind, and I personally added 2 spherical stones or crystals of rose quartz, and then I added those in there to also help structure for me, because I enjoy using crystals as well. But I do have the PVC pipe. I created some fittings that makes it easy for me to pour things in it or use it in my water bubbler or anything like that. And then I also have a larger piece here that I can hold over the cup. And I know I could probably make this some more efficient, set it somewhere, but right now I kind of just pour it through the top, let it come out the bottom, and then I drink it that way. But again, I just have the spherical marbles, so when water flows, it replicates water flowing down a mountain, because when a stream comes down a mountain, you have the different vortices that are created when the water is running over the stones and the pebbles, and then you have the eddy currents, in the upper half of the water that's created when it hits rocks and logs and things like that. So this just basically takes water that's been, sent through these 90-degree angles, which don't exist in nature, and then thrown into a way to create it and make it alive again, and that's what they mean by structure. It actually makes it, to me, hungry again to be able to accept these good things and to make you feel better in the natural state of water. So that's pretty much it for my water device. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and test with my digital meter, and that's why I have the Michael Jackson glove, because I don't want my energy or my aura to manipulate the field, so nobody can complain. But the first thing I'm going to do is turn my filter on. And as you can see, there's no interference. I don't have any of my power supplies or coils on, so we're getting a 0 reading. So now I'm going to switch it over and go ahead and get a reading here for the environment. Looks like I'm sitting at about 280. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and bring the cups in, or the glasses, and give it a little measurement here as well. Getting about a 299 to a 270, and as you can see, there's 277 there. That's just in and around the glass. About a 250. It's about 250s on the side and like 270 on top. This is actually 262. So as you can see, they're pretty similar. They're not jumping around too much. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the bottled water. This is just generic that I bought from the grocery store. About a 270 there. About 299 there. And let's get the side here. It's about a 270. It's 269.5. So let's go ahead and see what the structured device does. Alright, immediately I'm already getting a 230, which is a lowering from 260 to 230. Up top, I'm getting a 259, where the regular water I got a 300. Another 232 on the side here. So you can definitely see the difference of the two waters from the structured to the regular. And I'll even go ahead and run this over here again just to show you. See, immediately it jumps up to a 260 on the side of that one. So you can definitely see the difference in the water. And I'll put some more information on what the actual numbers mean, but I just wanted to show people that the difference in the water is there, and let you judge for yourself. So, thank you guys. Much love.